a harmonia entre a revelação espiritista e as leis da natureza. Spiritist revelation does not oppose the laws of nature. On the contrary, it reaffirms them from a broader perspective. Kardec conclui este capítulo mostrando que o Espiritismo é o ponto de encontro entre fé e razão, uma revelação que caminha de mãos dadas com o progresso científico. For centuries, humanity has divided knowledge into two seemingly opposing fields: science, which seeks to understand the physical world, and faith, which attempts to explain the invisible. However, as science itself advances, we realize that both follow the same path, merely observing reality through different lenses. Modern physics, for example, broke the old mechanical materialism of Newton by discovering that the universe is not made solely of solid matter, but of energy, vibration, and subtle fields. Quantum physics showed that subatomic particles behave unpredictably, reacting to simple observation. This brings us closer to the central idea of Spiritism. That thought is force, and that consciousness participates in the construction of reality. Similarly, contemporary biology recognizes that life is a phenomenon of intelligent and interdependent organization. Genetics and epigenetics demonstrate that mental and emotional factors can influence gene expression, a view that aligns with the Spiritist principle that the spirit shapes the body, and not the other way around. Therefore, when Kardec says that Spiritism is a revelation of divine order, he does not mean it in a mystical or supernatural sense. It is divine because it comes from natural laws created by God and not from human passions. It is a revelation that progresses as humanity progresses, because knowledge is not fixed. It is a continuous flow of discoveries. While traditional religions rely on authority, Spiritism is based on verification. It invites man to reason, to investigate, to understand. Thus, its revelation is both spiritual and scientific. Spiritual because it elevates the soul. Scientific because it is based on observable facts. Today, with telescopes that reach the farthest corners of the universe and particle accelerators that probe the infinitely small, we understand even better the grandeur of creation. And it is in this vastness, between the atom and the galaxy, that the spirit finds its true place, not as a separate observer, but as a living and active part of the laws that govern the cosmos. In summary, Spiritist revelation is not a dogma that imprisons thought. It is a bridge between the visible and the invisible, between science and faith, between reason and love. It is the continuation of human evolution itself toward complete truth. If this content made sense to you, like the video, share it with those seeking knowledge, and subscribe to follow the upcoming chapters of the Genesis.